I'm Miss Becca, and I'm going to show you the moves that go with the song, A Hippopotamus. This is a lap bounce song, so you'll just be bouncing baby gently on your lap. Whenever we say you're squishing us, just squeeze baby tightly. Whenever we say move over, you're just gonna lean to the side. And whenever we say back up, you're just gonna say back up. Okay, here's the song. A hip, a hippopotamus got on the city bus, and all the people said, "You're squishing us." A cow got on the city bus, and all the people said, "Move over." A sheep got on the city bus, and all the people said, "Back up." Hooray!
Hi everyone, we're here to share a lap bounce with you called Horsey Horsey. Horsey, horsey, don't you stop. Let your feet go clippity-clop. Your tail goes swish, and the wheels go round. Giddy up, we're homeward bound. Hi friends, we're gonna sing The Fish in the Sea, and it goes to the tune of the wheels on the bus. And you'll need a scarf or a tissue or something to kind of wave around. So are you ready? The fish in the sea go swish, 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 swish. The fish in the sea go swish, 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 all day long. The dolphins in the sea go round and round, round and round, round and round. The dolphins in the sea go round and round, all day long. The sand in the sea drifts down, 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 down. The sand in the sea drifts down, 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 all day long. The waves on the sea go up and down, up and down, up and down. The waves on the sea go up and down, all day long.